Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this Volkswagen approved used T-ROC SE. This model is a 1.5 litre petrol 150ps manual finished in Indium Grey metallic paint. This vehicle has covered 18,357 miles and does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So in this video today I'm going to give you a 360-degree walk around, then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details. So firstly we are presented with your LED daytime running lights designed for all weather conditions. And then panning around to the side profile, we have these stunning 19-inch alloys finished in silver. These really complement the exterior finish. And then progressing up, you'll notice we have your black coloured door mirrors, your integrated indicators. This follows into your two-tone paint. So your contrasting black roof. So it contrasts so well against the Indium Grey metallic finish. Entering the rear, we have your tracks for cloth upholstery, which is also an upgraded feature, with the tracks running down the outer rear seats. Then we do have enough space to comfortably fit 3 passengers travelling in the back. Then another added benefit on this vehicle is your front and rear parking sensors. This is the perfect addition to ensure parking is as easy as possible. Next, showing you a highlight of the boot. As you can see, we have a good amount of space available in this compact model. We have plenty of room for your weekly shop. We do have your variable boot floor, so this does increase the capacity further. You can adjust the height to make the rear seats level when they're folded down. Then on this car, you'll notice that we do have your black fitted roof rails, which are ideal for a wide range of outdoor activities. This car's been left in such a lovely condition. We've got the silver window trims pairing everything together. Then taking a look inside the front interior, we have your 3-spoke multifunction leather steering wheel followed by your front heated seats as part of the winter pack to keep you nice and cosy, with multiple controls to help you find the most comfortable position. Then another fantastic upgrade on this car is your panoramic sunroof, going all the way to the back of the car, flooding so much light and air in on those warmer journeys. So that does conclude the 360-degree walk around. So in the next part of the video I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So firstly, jumping in the driver's seat, we have your multifunction steering wheel. We can access a wide range of features. We do have your volume on here, and then we do have your adaptive cruise control, which is great for them long stretches on the motorway. Then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, we can control your instrument cluster. This is where you'll find your important driver information. So using the controls, we can customise what you want to see without having to remove your hands away from the wheel. This will help to create a safer driving environment. Then another benefit is your automatic lights, which will ensure they're always on at the correct times. Then we have your central locking as well as your multiple electric mirror and window controls positioned in the driver's door. Then in the centre console, we have your infotainment system where we can also access a wide range of features. So going into radio, you'll see that we do have your DAB, FM and AM radio available. For your music and entertainment, then we have your Bluetooth telephone connect, allowing you to make and receive phone calls on the go. Then we can also pair your phone to the car to display your maps, to help you plan your routes, as well as your music, contacts and messages. Then we do have your parking sensors, as I mentioned. This is how they will appear on your screen, and they will give off an audio warning to help protect your car and anything around it. And then just below we will find your 2-zone climate control. So both yourself and your front passenger can be in control of your own temperature settings to keep you both comfortable at all times. You have your fan speed in the centre and your 3-point front heated seating to keep you nice and cosy. You have your heating steering wheel function on there as well. So you can do this via the screen or the controls just below. Then another upgraded feature is your wireless phone charging. So just placing your phone, it will take a couple of seconds and it will automatically start charging. This just prevents wires from being all over your centre console. We do have 2 USB ports for media devices as well. We've got your manual gear stick, your electronic park brake for added ease, and then some additional storage space. And then finally we have my favourite feature, which is your panoramic sunroof. This is upgraded. So just using the controls we can easily operate the roof. So it's just a perfect addition for those warmer journeys. Then when the sun gets that's a bit too much, you do have your electric sunblind on there as well. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used T-ROC, which includes a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.